Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to demonstrate very useful application for all the faculty members. This application is used to prepare your course plan and lesson plan. URL is www.mrrtechnical.co.in/cp. This is the URL. You'll get the login page like this. Here for new users they can click on sign up button to create their username and password. So click on sign up and enter your username, whatever username you want. You enter the username and your mail ID, then choose some password. So here all of you, please note that don't use your confidential passwords which are using for your bank accounts, mail IDs, etc. Use some dummy password here. Okay, then you can click on sign up. Automatically your account will be created. Then go back to the login page. Here you can log in using your username and password. For example, I'm using my username like this and my password. Then tap on the sign in button. Then this is the home page. Here your account name and sign out button is there. Okay, if you tap on this particular button, you will get the various options to create the course plan, and once it is created you can view or you can edit the existing course plan. This is the option for creating the lesson plan and to edit the existing lesson plan, and these are the settings. The first thing is you have to set the college timings. It already I entered the first hour and second hour. Now I'll enter the third hour for same 2021 academic year. Just try to enter the academic year in the same format. Here this must be in the same format. Any difference is there, so automatically that will not be added in this particular academic year. So that's why try to enter that in the same notation. So 2021-2022. Third hour is from 10 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. Till now here third hour is not there. Once I enter the third hour, that will be added here. Something in this way you have to set the college timings. Once the college timings are set, you can start creating the course plan. So you just take the same academic year 21. Suppose if you enter _22, then you will not be getting those timings. So whatever format you have used there, here also you have to use the same format. That's why hyphen. If you enter space also, it will not match with the college timings. So that's why all of you please note that you just enter the academic year in this format only. Okay, 2021-2022. So that is the format. Next, subject. I'm adding some subject as ED, engineering drawing. I'm taking subject code. Subject name is full name. I'm typing engineering drawing is subject name. Class I'm going for, suppose first year. First year CSC. Something in this way you can enter the class. Faculty name, you can type your name. Suppose my name is Dr. M. Raja Roy. I'm typing my name. Designation, at present I'm working as associate professor. Okay, the number of students in that class are suppose 60. Okay, continue entering the topics. Next, so this particular data will be there. Now in first week, so what I'm going to cover. So in first week starts with the fourth Monday. Suppose say some fourth Monday. Okay, on this day I'm going to take some 2 hours. So this is lecture only. Then The topic I'm going to cover is introduction to drawing. Okay, enter topic. So then that will be automatically added here. Week 1, what is the topic I'm going to cover on that particular day. Okay, something in this way you can enter the total course plan. Suppose for example I'm just signing out. Again I'm signing in like this. Suppose I want to modify the course plan which I have created just now. Then you just go to view or edit course plan. So whatever I have created, all the courses are available here. These are the course plans for various courses. Based on the academic year, you will get all this information. Suppose I want to see, then just click on view. Then you can take the printout of it. Or suppose you want to edit, then in that case click on edit. Then already 1 hour we have created. Suppose on another day, on some other week, on 11th for example, I want to take again 2 hours lecture, and here I am going to cover conics topic. Okay, enter. Then week 2 I am going to cover conics. This is the date, day, number of hours, what is the topic I am covering. Suppose I want to edit this, then just click on edit. Instead of conics, I want to type this as curves. In that conics, something like this I want to update. You can update. Then automatically you can get that as curves and conics. Suppose you want to delete this, just click on delete. That will be deleted. Suppose you want to delete the entire course. Entire course you want to delete means you have to delete all the course contents. This course also I am deleting. That content also I am deleting. Then automatically if you just go back to your view lesson plan, that particular course will not be available here. Similarly, so here in the course plan, that will not be available. In the same way you can create the lesson plan also. So lesson plan means how you are taking the classes, that you are dragging here. Okay, that means once you complete the class, on that particular day what you have taught in the class, that you have to enter in the lesson plan. So for that also I am creating one sample lesson plan to demonstrate how to track your class lessons. So academic year, subject code I am taking as ED, subject name I am taking as engineering drawing, class just previous class only, first year CSC. Okay, name, my name only I'll enter, Dr. M. Raja Roy, Associate Professor, class strength 60. Continue entering the topics. Okay, here in week 1 on 4th I am taking class from 9 to 9:50, 1 hour lecture. Here I am covering introduction. Gadgets I am using for example LCD projector. Enter the topic. So that will be added here. Week 1, that is 4th Monday 9 to 9:50, what I have taught there. Then on the same week, same day, from 10 to 10:50 I am taking them for tutorial, that means practice, and that I am going to enter here, drawing practice. Drawing practice is like tutorials. Okay, so here What are the gadgets they are using during the tutorials? Drawing instruments. Drawing instruments. Okay, enter topic. That will be added here. Week 1 on the same day, date and day, 9 to 9:50 we have taught some theory, and 10 to 10:50 they have done the practice. Okay, so something in this way you can go on adding the contents what you have taught in the class immediately in the lesson plan very easily using this application. Okay, so the entire thing, if you want, you can take a print like this. You just go to the print view, everything will be displayed here. Okay, you can take any lesson plan and you can take the print. If you want, you can just copy this and paste this in MS Word, and you just do some adjustments and you can take the print. Okay, that's why this particular view is very clean. You just use Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste in MS Word, and do some modifications, slight formatting you can do, and you can take the print. Okay, so I'm showing various plans, various lesson plans what I have prepared. I'm just showing, you can just observe them. Okay, in this way very easily you can track your course plan and lesson plan using this application. So using this URL, you can open this application in your mobile phone and you can do your work in your mobile phone, and you just use the same URL to open this in your desktop to take the printouts. Okay, after finishing your work, you can just click on this button to sign out. Change password option is also available. You can change your password at any point of time. The URL for this application is also provided in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.